Hello everybody. If you want to read all the stories in full, please go to www.steveuk.blog. Thank you. Short story 515, The Hidden Key, Upper Beginner. Anna lived in a small village in England. Her house was old with creaky wooden floors and windows that rattled in the wind. She loved her home, but it was full of mysteries. One day, while cleaning the attic, Anna found a dusty old box under a pile of blankets. The box was locked and there was no key in sight. Anna was curious. What was inside the box? She looked everywhere in the attic, behind books, under chairs, and even inside an old teapot. No key. She sat down and thought, maybe the key is somewhere else in the house, she said to herself. She started searching the living room. She checked under the sofa, inside cushions, and behind the big clock on the wall. Nothing. Then she went to the kitchen. She opened drawers, looked in jars, and even checked the fridge. Still no key. Anna felt frustrated, but she didn't give up. In the bedroom, she looked under the bed and inside her jewellery box. She found old letters and a broken watch, but no key. Finally, she went to the garden. The garden was her favourite place, with colourful flowers and a little bench where she liked to read. She walked around, looking under stones and inside the birdhouse. Still, there was no key. That evening, Anna sat on the bench, feeling tired. She looked at the old oak tree in the garden. It was tall and strong, with thick branches. Suddenly, she noticed something shiny in the tree. She stood up and walked closer. There, stuck in a small hole in the trunk, was a tiny silver key. Anna's heart raced. She climbed onto the bench and reached for the key. It was stuck, but she pulled gently and it came out. She ran back to the attic with the key in her hand. Her hands were shaking as she unlocked the box. Inside, she found a beautiful necklace with a red jewel and a letter. The letter was old and yellow. It said, "Dear Anna, this necklace belonged to your grandmother. She wanted you to have it. It is special and will bring you luck. Keep it safe." Anna's eyes filled with tears. She remembered her grandmother, who told her stories about faraway places. Anna put on the necklace and felt warm inside. The next day, Anna wore the necklace to the village market. People stopped to admire it. An old man, Mr. Jenkins, saw it and smiled. "That's your grandmother's necklace," he said. "She wore it every day. It's very special." Anna felt proud. She told Mr. Jenkins how she found the key in the oak tree. He laughed and said, "Your grandmother loved hiding things. She always said life is like a puzzle. You must keep looking to find the answers." Anna went home and looked at the oak tree again. She wondered if there were more secrets in her house. She decided to keep exploring. Every day she checked a new place, behind paintings, under rugs, or inside old books. She didn't find more keys, but she found small treasures, a photo of her parents, a toy from her childhood, and a coin from another country. Anna learned something important. Her house was not just a home, it was a place full of stories. Every object had a memory, and every search was an adventure. She felt closer to her grandmother and her family. The necklace was her favourite treasure, but the real gift was the joy of discovery. Anna never stopped looking for secrets in her house. Each day brought a new surprise, and she loved every moment of it. Her village life was simple, but to Anna, it was magical. Vocabulary notes. Curious, adjective. Definition. Having a strong desire to know or learn something, eager to find out. Example, Anna was curious. What was inside the box? Explanation. In the story, Anna's curiosity drives her to search for the key because she wants to know what is inside the locked box. Similar words. Interested, wanting to know more about something, e.g., she was interested in the old box. Inquisitive, asking questions to learn more, e.g., the inquisitive child looked everywhere for answers. Eager, very excited to do or learn something, e.g., he was eager to open the mysterious package. Practice sentence. Write a sentence using curious about something you want to learn. Frustrated, adjective, definition. Feeling upset or annoyed because you cannot achieve something you want. Example, Anna felt frustrated, but she didn't give up. Explanation, Anna feels frustrated because she cannot find the key after searching in many places, but she continues trying. Similar words, annoyed, slightly angry or irritated, e.g., he was annoyed when he lost his keys. Upset, feeling unhappy because something is difficult, e.g., she was upset when she couldn't solve the puzzle. Irritated, feeling impatient or bothered, e.g., he felt irritated after searching for hours. Practice sentence. Describe a time you felt frustrated using the word in a sentence. Treasure, noun. Definition. Something valuable or special, like money, jewels, or meaningful objects. Example, she didn't find more keys, but she found small treasures, a photo of her parents, a toy from her childhood, and a coin from another country. Explanation. In the story, Anna finds objects that are not expensive but are special to her, like memories of her family. Similar words, valuable. Something worth a lot, either in money or meaning, e.g., the old book was valuable to her. Keepsake, an object kept to remember someone or something, e.g., the necklace was a keepsake from her grandmother. Heirloom, a special object passed down through a family, e.g., the ring was a family heirloom. Practice sentence. Write about a treasure you have using the word treasure. Search, verb. Definition. To look carefully for something that is lost or hard to find. Example, she started searching the living room. Explanation. Anna searches different parts of her house to find the key, showing effort to look in many places. Similar words, look for, to try to find something, e.g., she looked for her phone under the bed. Hunt, to search eagerly for something, e.g., they hunted for clues in the garden. Explore, to look around a place to discover things, e.g., he explored the attic for old toys. Practice sentence. Use search in a sentence about finding something important. Discovery, noun. Definition. The act of finding something new or unexpected. Example, the real gift was the joy of discovery. Explanation. Anna's joy comes from finding new things in her house, like the necklace and other objects, which feels like an adventure. Similar words, finding, something that is found, e.g., her finding of the letter was exciting. Revelation, a surprising fact or discovery, e.g., the letter was a revelation about her grandmother. Breakthrough, an important discovery after effort, e.g., finding the key was a breakthrough for Anna. Practice sentence. Write a sentence using discovery about something you found. Story written by Grok 3 AI. Image created by Grok 3 AI. To read all the stories in full, please go to www.steveuk.blog. Thank you.
Hello, this is Steve. If you enjoyed the story, please would you take the time to leave a meaningful comment and click on the like icon. If you want to know when the next story has been uploaded, please click on the notify bell icon to be notified. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and tell your English learning friends so they can benefit too. Thank you.